Hey guys, it's beautiful Monday morning and it's gloomy and I still haven't had a haircut, so yeah, excuse me. But we are short staffed and it's only me today in the front because Sachinda is off doing some family matters, attending to some family matters, and I don't think the vlog's coming out today because Cow is unwell, and because of that we won't be able to edit the videos and put it out today, I think. So best case scenario will be that it will be out tomorrow. I saw that someone walked in. Oh yeah, so am I. I saw that someone walked in for an interview earlier.
Yes.
What spots are we trying to fill?
I think the word you're looking for is position.
Yes, position, spot position, tomato.
No.
Okay.
That's not how it works.
Okay.
Okay. We have a couple of openings actually. So
Okay.
As you all may know, we moved into like a larger location.
Yes.
We have more at the back.
Right.
And we do have 2 vacancies to be filled.
Okay.
So, primarily, we need a delivery person.
Okay.
And we also have a requirement for a technician.
All right.
So technician, troubleshooting, system building, a little bit of everything. And the delivery person lead. So yes, anyone interested, feel free to drop by. Open interviews, so you can walk in and like, yeah, I want a job. So yeah, that's about it.
So you all heard it here right now on the vlog that we are looking to hire some people to fill in some positions, and why not drop in and try and get a job here, because you get to work with us and you can be in our vlogs and you'll be immortalized, right? Yeah, exactly. Okay, so would you like to tell me, Rashid, what you're doing in this hot sun?
Cutting off a piece of paint. Basically, I was calmly driving the other day. I went to get a check from one of our customers. And then Joker with 3-wheel driver decided to bump the side of my vehicle.
He probably liked your vehicle.
I don't think so. It was just a joke, like I said. But yeah, it's kind of painful.
Is there a lot of heavy rubbing involved in this?
Yeah, something you'd know. What do you do heavy rubbing on, bro? Put you on spot.
Yeah. I have no answer for that.
You don't want to know, man.
I've seen you a lot at Redline these few days, and is there any particular reason you're around?
Well, I bought my laptop from Redline about a year ago, and
Okay.
then for like solid 1 year, no issues, and then I got like a small issue, and then I had to fix it, so here I am.
Okay, and did you get it fixed?
Yeah, it's fixed and it's on its way.
Alright, cool. I see you wearing hard tuned.
Yes.
So you're a car person.
I'm a car person and I'm also the brand ambassador for Hard Tuned in Sri Lanka.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Because we saw you earlier with Rashid over there.
Yeah.
And giving him like car advice.
Yeah, so Rashid, what happened with him is he had a tiny scratch on his car.
Okay.
And then he was using browser to remove the paint.
Yeah.
Which we usually don't advise because when you paint over it, usually if the browser has like residue, it sort of bubbles up. And
Okay.
I was telling him to use toothpaste, which is good for like white color cars.
Okay. Oh, just that he didn't brush his teeth enough.
Maybe.
Alright, okay. Thanks, Devni. Hey guys, so that's the end of our vlog for today. And unfortunately, we didn't have a lot to do, but we saw Rashid in action doing your local Redline car wash and detailing. And we also saw Devni in charge of like car advice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your Monday, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.